The next Bitcoin halving is just over 1 year away, and here's what could happen to the BTC price. We're going to use historical analysis here to talk about what happened with Bitcoin around the previous halving cycles and try to relate that back to this next halving cycle that's going to happen in 2024. Of course, history doesn't always repeat itself directly, but what we've seen in the price of Bitcoin is a rise in the price of BTC around the next Bitcoin halving each and every time it's happened. So we're predicting that we'll see much of the same when we get our next Bitcoin halving. The big question is, will we see Bitcoin going over $100,000 after the next halving? We're going to address that in this video. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back right here by the channel. All right, let's dive in. So without further ado, we're going to scroll on down. Some very interesting points here, so stay with me here, but check this out. So these are the halvings that normally preceded a ferocious rally. So going all the way back to 2012's halving, Bitcoin was trading around $12. Within 1 year, it had rallied above 1,000. Now, the second halving took place when Bitcoin's price was around $650. With less than a year and a half, Bitcoin's price reached $19,000. Finally, in 2020, the halving took place when Bitcoin's price was just under 9,000. Prices went on to hit record highs in November 2021 of $69,000. So Bitcoin has thus posted gains from the date of the halving to the next market peak of roughly 83x, 29x, and then just an 8x recently. Now, unsurprisingly, with Bitcoin maturing as an asset class and having enjoyed substantial growth in its market cap, the rate of its post-halving gains has slowed and could yet slow further. So again, these are in consecutive order. We 83x, we 29x, and we 8x. So what are we in line for this next time? A 3 to 4x? And where will Bitcoin's price be as we gear up for the halving? Well, we could break that down. Maybe in 2024, the halving could result in more of a modest, maybe 2 to 3x gain. We'll go super conservative here when looking at Bitcoin's peak price in post-2024 halving period. Well, with a litany of on-chain and technical indicators all screaming that 2022's bear market is over and 2023 is off to a good start for the world's largest crypto by market cap, a continued gradual recovery in 2023 and into 2024 might well be in the cards, despite ongoing macro liquidity headwinds from the Fed's tightening efforts. Let's say Bitcoin is able to recover to the 30 to 40,000 K region by the time of the next halving. We could then be looking at a post-halving rally to north of 100K. Let's just say we're at 40,000 and we 3x. Well, easy math tells us that we could be eyeing $120,000 per BTC during the next Bitcoin halving. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.